In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up the Google Keep homepage, pin and archive. 5 minutes. If your Google Keep homepage feels cluttered, a quick pass with archive and pin is all you need to bring order back. Start by opening the Google Apps menu, the grid icon you'll see on most Google pages. In that menu, locate the Keep icon. It's the bright yellow light bulb. Click it to open Google Keep. Once you're on the Keep homepage, you'll see your notes laid out as cards. To tidy things up efficiently, begin by selecting the notes you want to move out of sight. Hover over a note and click the small check that appears in the top left corner of the card. That selects the note. You can select multiple notes this way, which is perfect for archiving a bunch at once. If you change your mind, click the check again to deselect. With the note selected, look for the archive button along the top toolbar. Click archive to tuck those notes away. Archiving removes them from the main home view but does not delete anything. Think of it like a clean storage closet for notes you don't need to see every day. If you ever need one back, it's safely stored in the archive section on the left sidebar, and you can unarchive it later. This is a great habit for completed tasks, old checklists, reference notes, or anything that's no longer active. Next, let's highlight the important stuff. Open a note you want to keep front and center or hover over it on the home page and click the pin icon. Pinning creates a dedicated pinned section at the top of your homepage so your most important notes stay visible even as you add new ones. You can pin multiple notes and they'll all sit together above the rest for quick access. If a note no longer needs that priority, click the pin icon again to unpin it. Use archive and pin together to keep your homepage focused. Archive the noise, pin the essentials, and leave the rest unpinned so it stays accessible without hogging attention. A quick weekly sweep, select archive and pin, keeps everything tidy with minimal effort. That's it. You opened Google Keep from the apps menu, selected notes, archived what you don't need up front, and pinned the notes you want to see first. Enjoy a cleaner, more intentional homepage in just a few minutes.